extension tutorial. So to get started, we need to add our Likeable Forms license key and also our BoldSign API key. If you do not have the API key just yet and you don't know how to get this, just check out our website. We provide plenty of documentation on how to actually get this BoldSign API key. If you do, go ahead and hit verify license key. And if this is your first time, your extension settings, all these fields here will actually be created. So to get started, we need to select a BoldSign template that we've had set up inside of BoldSign. So your templates and all of your signer fields are going to be added inside of your BoldSign account, and then our extension is going to be able to populate that data for you, map the data to the correct signers. So for this example, we're going to choose template 3, and we need to go ahead and add an invitation title. So this is basically the email subject that the signers are going to see. So we're just going to title it NDA. You can also use a field if you like to as well. And the invitation message, that's essentially the email body. So this is just a short snippet of information that the signers will see before they click sign. And then the signer full name and signer email, these are going to use fields. So we can't actually type in any static data. So let's go ahead and add a couple of name fields, a couple of text fields, and then a couple of email fields. And of course, change out the labels to whatever you see fit. This could be signer 1 or signer 2, name. And let's go back into our settings. And then here we'll go text 1 for the signer full name. And then we need to add their email address. And what this does is it's going to map the data that's actually collected and captured from your form. And it's going to be able to dynamically send the generated templates, the documents, to those signers. And we can also keep this in sequential order. So for example, for signing order here, if you want to keep signer 1 your first signer and you want to prevent signer 2 from being able to receive the documents before signer 1 has signed it, you want to go ahead and select yes, keep signing order sequence. Or if you like to just send the documents out and it's just more so first come, first served, you can also do that by selecting no, send documents to all signers simultaneously. And then the last option here is enable auto reminders. So for example, if you send out a document to someone and they just haven't signed it or they haven't opened it, you can actually go ahead and just enable auto reminders, and BoldSign will automatically send reminders out. And that timeline is based on what you enter inside your BoldSign account. But this option will enable it. If you just want to do it once and then be done, just go ahead and select no. There you go.